Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and this is one of my book, Physics for JEE NEET, Part 1. It contains mathematical tools, units, dimensions, and errors. So let's see the book. So this is the front page, and it is published using Notion Press, which is EdTech of South. So this is about vectors, the angle between vectors, then equality of vectors, then laws of addition of vectors. Then we have certain important points, some examples for them. Then we have subtraction of vectors. Then we have some questions based on vectors. Then we have unit vectors, resolution of vectors, problems based on that. Then we have resolution based questions. Then we have some examples based on resolution of vectors. Then we have certain solved examples. Then we have addition and subtraction in component forms. These are the solved examples. Then multiplication of vectors. Then we have right hand thumb rule. The concept of position vector. Then we have an introduction of calculus, the function. Then we have certain questions based on function. Then we have average and instantaneous rate of change, or the concept of derivative of a function. Then we have geometrical meaning of differentiation. Then we have differentiation of various functions. Then we have the product rule. Then we have the derivative of sine and cosine function. Then we have certain questions on differentiation, inside outside rule, or the chain rule that we call. Then we have double differentiation, certain solved examples on that. Then we have maxima and minima. Then we have the concept of integration. Then we have the standard formula of integration. Then we have certain rules of integration. There are certain rules of differentiation, integration using constants. Then we have application of definite integral and the concept of definite integration. Then we have the concept of graph in integration, that what integration means in graph. So it's basically the area under curve with sine. So this was the theory part. Let's begin with the exercise. This is exercise 1, which is for function and differentiation. Then we have a section for differentiation. Then we have differentiation as rate measurement, maxima and minima. Then we have part 2 for integration. Then we have integration using a substitution. Then we have definite integration. Then we have calculation of area. Then we have certain questions based on that. Then we have part 2, which begins with the questions on vectors, as you can see. Then we have addition of vectors. Then we have product of vectors. Then here is the exercise 2. Differentiation by chain rules, and it's then we have part 2 for integration. Then we have part 3 for vector, for subjective questions. So this was the exercise.